Okay, 2 minutes of the chicken nipple watering system. I simply have a 5-gallon bucket attached to it. At the bottom is a watertight fitting that I have a cheap PVC ball valve attached to. And then the cheapest washing machine hose that I could get that has a fitting on both ends, a hose fitting on both ends. And that comes down and goes down here and is attached to the PVC pipe on this end through a fitting. And then just a short piece of PVC, maybe 3 feet long. It has 3 chicken nipples attached to it. I don't know if you can see them from here, but that chicken there is drinking. They're all drinking out of it. I did attach another 1/2 inch valve on this end just so I could bleed the whole system out. And then another attempted escapee. They just like to, come on, get back down. They like to fly up there. They just peck the nipples and a little bit of water comes out and they drink it. No wasted water, no dirty water. No, the space is not taken up by water. It's a perfect system. As perfect as it could be.